Naghahanap ba kayo ng perfect resort para sa honeymoon or baby time nyo sa Siquijor? May alam ako kung saan, kaya tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Maayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor. U-Story Resort has recently reopened with upgraded facilities na matatagpuan sa Barangay Tag-Ibo, San Juan, Siquijor. Tara't silipin natin ang dalawa sa siyam nilang villas. First, ang Hibiscus, worth 5,950 pesos per night, good for 2 guests. It is a standard bungalow with big balcony, king-sized bed, aircon, mini-ref, electric kettle, mosquito killer, cabinet, safety deposit box, and my favorite, their semi-open bathroom na may hot and cold shower. Here's a quick view of what you will see outside Hibiscus Villa. Tara naman sa next villa, ang Floralis, worth 7,950 pesos per night, good for 2 guests. It is more spacious with a king-size bed, aircon, and suite comfort room with toiletries and hot and cold shower. By the way, only the resort's guests have access sa kanilang swimming pool. And for a complete list of their villas, please visit their official Facebook page. U-Story Resort is also a perfect spot to watch sunset in Siquijor. And every Friday from 5 to 7 p.m., listen to relaxing house music with live saxophone by Tata Delgado. At kapag nagutom na kayo, tara na't mag-order ng masasarap na pagkain sa kanilang restaurant tulad ng si Matador for 1,190 pesos, Chef Pasta for 510 pesos, Tuna Tartar at 570 pesos, Laughing Cow at 450 pesos, Catch Me If You Can at 580 pesos, Gourmet Coffee at 520 pesos, Nutella Crepe at 290 pesos, Hummus at 160 pesos, and Maki Makmak at 420 pesos. They also serve cocktails like this Mango Daiquiri. Now, if you're interested to book, please click the booking.com link on the description box and comment section. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid, and we explored the newly reopened resort perfect for honeymoon or baby time nyo sa Siquijor. U-Story Resort. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!